African secretary bird, the writer's bird, the secretary's bird, or the hawk. It is a bird native to Africa, with long legs and a long tail. It lives mostly in wide, open plains. This bird walks in the tall grass of the African plains and searches for insects and animals to eat. When it finds its prey, it kicks it to death. The writer's bird eats snakes, and even venomous snakes, such as cobra and viper. When a writer's bird ambushes a snake behind plants, he runs towards it and hits the snake's head with his foot, a sharp blow to the head on the back of the snake's neck. If the prey resists this method, the secretary bird may grab it in its beak, take it into the sky, and throw it down after a great height. The height of the male secretary bird can reach 1.4 meters. These predators run fast and open wings scare away the snake, and if the snake grabs the feathers, the bird will not be harmed. They often hunt in pairs and can walk more than 25 kilometers every day in search of food. Birds raise their feathers when they are angry, excited, or afraid. Its feathers are gray and white. Males and females are similar, but females are smaller. The clerk's bird or secretary's bird is a large hunting bird. It is a relative of hawks and eagles. It got its name because of the crest on its back, which makes it resemble secretaries and accountants in the 18th century. This bird has another distinctive feature. Long, prominent eyelashes. The secretary bird hunts snakes by trampling prey with its dinosaur-like feet and claws. The secretary bird is a carnivorous hunter that feeds on various prey and has a great ability to kill snakes in the African grasslands. Unlike most birds of prey, secretary chickens may walk 30 kilometers a day in search of snakes, insects, and other animals. The writer's bird also feeds on lizards, amphibians, rodents, and bird eggs. Small animals are usually eaten whole, but larger prey are crushed. Before being eaten, they also strike the ground with their large feet to lure prey out of hiding. The secretary hen looks more like a stork than a bird of prey. These birds reach a height of about 1.35 meters and a weight of 3.3 kilograms. With a wingspan of up to 2 meters, the secretary chicken has a relatively small head and false beak. The ornamental plumage of this bird is light gray-blue, and its face is red. Their flight feathers are black, and they have feathers on the back of their thighs and on the back of their heads. The legs of the manch chicken are long and strong, and as we mentioned, they are used for hunting. Munchy chickens do not have clawed toes like other game birds, and instead have thick, blunt toes with short, curved nails. The writer's bird is very popular in Africa for its beautiful appearance and ability to hunt snakes and insects. It is known as the symbol of Sudan and South Africa, and an explanatory image is engraved on the uniforms of the soldiers of these two countries.